Before we conclude, we would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to all the participating colleges. Your knowledge truly made this event special. As a token of love and appreciation, we kindly request our IQAC head, Mr. Durvas Prasad Timansina sir to present on the stage. And also Elif Upadhyay sir to present the token. Firstly, now I would like to invite one representative from each college to come and receive a small memento one by one. Firstly, Samriddhi College. Ratna Rajaya Campus. St. Xavier College. Sri Chandra Multiple Campus. National College. Kanti and Kunja International College. KNK College. Saint College. Thank you, esteemed representative. Another highlight of today's program was the Psychology Expo. There were 7 stalls excluding KMC, each reflecting thoughtful exposure, creating and deep understanding of the theme and this event. Therefore, in recognition of the valuable contribution of exhibition, we are now handing you the tokens of love to them. Again, I would like to request Mr. Durval Prasad Timansina and Eddie Sir for this honor. I would like to invite invite representatives to come up on the stage. Firstly, National College. Community College. Fix Nepal. Manusastra Counseling and Research Center. Manusastra Counseling and Research Center. Sri Chandra Multiple Campus. Nepal Academy of Psychology. Strategic Nepal. Thank you to all the participating colleges. Now moving forward, we would like to take this opportunity to express our sincerity appreciation to our estimated experts. We feel truly honored to have you with us on such a all-important psychology Olympiad 2026. May I request again IQAC Mr. Durbar Prasad Kimansina and AD sir to honor the token to our experts. Firstly, Mr. Padam Raj Joshi, sir. Mr. Sagar Nepal. by Siva Gumiti sir to deliver the vote of thanks.
Namaskar. Respected IPSC Head of Kathmandu Model College KMC, Guruprasad Mohan sir. Program Head of B and DDS, respected Elise Rajapadhyay sir. Dignified experts for this, especially this Psychology Olympiad, respected Padam sir, Sagar sir, and Deepa ma'am. And HOD of Social Work at KMC, Amit sir. My dear faculty members from other colleges such as St. Xavier's, National College, KNK, and all of my dear students from 8 colleges. Namaskar once again. Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Again, first of all, congratulations to all of you, especially my dear students from KMC and those who we have participated in this historical event. As we did it, we concluded it somehow else really successfully, right? Another thing, you also can raise question that why this type of event are organized in KMC or at KMC premises or by KMC students. Just to like say, for those, we have basically 2 reasons. One is, I was delighted to see those, you guys were preparing for Psychology Olympiad, right? Like you are preparing for board examination. So what I mean is, somehow else we are distracted from our focus, from our academics to something, other, due to maybe social media or maybe other distractions. So what I thought, why not to connect, learn and fun environment, such as there will be the competition, at the same time there will be the motives for learning, and at the same time converting our scores into skills. So it's very mandatory in today's context that no matter how much knowledge you are, no matter how much knowledge you have, if you don't have skill, then we are not going to do something great, right? So why not to convert psychology scores into skills? So skills comes by the internalization of knowledge. So internalization comes from this type of event, from this type of program. So I'm really happy as we had invited at least 13 colleges. So among them, 7 colleges are here today. So including KMC, altogether 8 colleges we are. So I'm very, very happy for this. And I must mention, this event would not be possible without your continuous effort and support, okay? So some of colleges have already registered after sending email or after just making call or by sending invitation by our students. But some of them have registered later. Amazingly, some of them have performed very well who had registered later, right? Anyway, for the first time in Nepal, we try to conclude the 2 events related to psychology. First is Psychology Expo. So there have been organized some of the events like Counseling Expo, Youth Expo, or Wellbeing Expo, but not in the name of Psychology Expo. We're connecting minds from psychology to non-psychology. So we have been, listening long ago that psychology should be the matter of only students who are studying psychology. So is it true? Actually, it's not true. If I'm an individual, then I do have thoughts, emotions, and soul, or maybe I have a lot of different types of emotions. So those emotions must be addressed. So this was our initiation to connect the mind of psychology to the non-psychology people by organizing 2 events. Actually 1 event, that is Psychology Expo, and another this Psychology Olympiad was to internalize what we have and to enhance our skills. So that I'm so happy that you are here. Now I would like to acknowledge KMC College, KMC Management, and all of my respected faculty members, my dear students, as they work hard to make this event very successful. And similarly, without your presence, it would not be possible. So on behalf of KMC and Psychology Department, I'd like to extend my gratitude to for your historic participation in the first ever Inter-College Psychology Olympiad. We are joined by 7 colleges in this Psychology Olympiad. Samriddhi College. It is better to raise your hand if you are there, right? Samriddhi College, Ratna Raja Lakshmi Anand Campus, St. Xavier's, Trichandra Campus, National College, who is the winner of the contest, Kanti and Kunja International, KNT College, and Pence International College, and definitely KMC, we ourselves, right? And I don't know whether you noticed or not, today also there were simultaneously 2 events occurring at the KMC premises. One was this Psychology Olympiad, and the second was Psychology Expo, where different students from different streams were engaging enthusiastically and playing some memory games, attention span games, and so on, right? This same exact event we are organized on 17th of April in Basantapur. So there are also a lot of people were interested and played those psychological games. Okay? And for Psychology Expo that held today, there were 2 colleges joined, Samriddhi College and Trichandra colleges, and 4 organizations: Psychotherapy Integrated and Counseling Services, PICS Nepal, Manosastra, CTRADE, and Nepal Academy of Psychology. So I would like to extend my gratitude to all of you. And yes, so did you say something on screen while we were conducting this Psychology Expo? We all were featured here, right? So, okay, sorry, okay. So from Live OK Television, हामीलाई चाहिँ ब्रोडकास्टिङ पार्टनर रूपमा उहाँले सपोर्ट गर्नुभएको छ, त्यसको लागि पनि धेरै धेरै म धन्यवाद भन्न चाहन्छु। जसले गर्दा हाम्रो ह्यान्डसम र ब्युटिफुल फेसेसहरू एकदम सर्वत्र छाएको छ हैन। र अब मैले छुटाउनै नहुने, विथ ए लट अफ एफोर्ट यो इभेन्ट आज सक्सेसफुल बनाउनमा अरु 3 जना व्यक्तित्वहरुको पनि हात छ। उहाँ भनेको चाहिँ साइकोलोजी ओलम्पियाड आजको मास्टरहरु, रेस्पेक्टेड पलमराज जोशी सर, त्यसपछि सारा नेपाल सर र दिपा मानन्द सर। At one point, we have created history. I want, if you enjoy it truly, I believe that you have filled the form that we have provided for feedback. Please fill that genuinely and give us. So in days to come, we can improve ourselves, for example, technicality or something like that. यदि यो कार्यक्रमको दौरानमा केही कमी कमजोरी भएको छ भने यो कार्यक्रमको अर्गनाइजिङ कमिटीमा रहेर अनवरत खटिरहेको आधारमा मेरो विद्यार्थीहरूको बिहा मार्फत र म पर्सनली पनि साइकोलोजीको डिपार्टमेन्ट हेरिरहेको आधारमा केही त्यस्तो तलमाथि केही भएको छ भने विथ ड्यू रेस्पेक्ट प्लिज फर्गिभ अस, फर्गिभ मी, मेरो तर्फबाट केही भएको छ भने माफी दिनु होला र जे चाहिँ राम्रो भएको छ लिएर जाउँ र आगामी दिनमा यसलाई चाहिँ ग्रान्ड र गजब बनाउनको लागि लेट्स कोलाबोरेट फर द फ्युचर साइकोलोजिस्ट एक्सपिरियन्स है। थ्यांक यू सो मच।